If you want your lace frontal reinstall to look like this, keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're doing a frontal reinstall. And this may be a short video, but I'm making sure that you guys understand every single thing that I'm doing, so keep watching. Alright, so I applied my Ghost Bond. I applied 2 layers, and I used the Eben adhesive spray, the yellow bottle, and I made sure those glues dried. And now I'm applying my lace frontal onto the glue. And when I applied it on, some parts were lifting, so I'm making sure I'm re-gluing it again so I can have a, stronger hold. So I'm tying down my lace to make sure that thing is flat, to make sure it's flat. Because you don't want your lace to be lifting up throughout the day. We don't want that for you. So now I'm spraying some Chi heat protecting spray because I'm going to be flat ironing this hair. I had kind of blow dry prior, but it was just like one run pass. So now I'm brushing out my hair and I'm taking off the scarf, revealing to you what the lace looks like. And there were some glue spots left, so I took my alcohol and I just wiped off the little excess. And now I'm parting my hair into a side part because middle parts be making my head look big. I don't know about y'all, but I love me a side part. So I'm parting my hair and I'm taking out the hairs I want to use for my baby hairs. And then afterwards I put wax stick to mold and shape and give my wig that sleekless, salon look. Okay, so whenever you use a wax stick, you always would want to use your hot comb to put all the hairs you waxed down into place, and it just gives it a shinier and slicker look. Alright, so I tried to do them wispy baby hairs and they didn't really work out, so I was struggling to do my baby hairs for 20 minutes, so I just cut the rest of that off camera because it was OD. So here's my final look. I hope you guys like this, and I hope this small short video helped you guys out. Okay, bye.